Welcome everyone to this short demonstration video of the enhancements in Gamify-IT. Gamify-IT is a web-based gaming platform for software engineering education by Speed et al. And in their research they created and implemented a short prototype of this Gamify-IT educational game. And since we are experiencing a lack of motivation in our CS1 programming education course, especially after the first beginning weeks, we wanted to apply a game-based approach and wanted to use Gamify-IT in this CS1 course. But since Speed et al. Also stated some challenges and technical issues, we made some improvements to the platform and also enhanced it with more mini-games and more game mechanics, and wanted to present them now here in this short demonstration video. So back in Gamify-IT, we first, and this is directly hearable, we added sounds and music to the overworld, but also to the single mini games. So for example, there are walking sound effects now, and also when students find, for example, mini games, then there are special sounds, but also within the mini games there are sounds and background music applied to all of them, so that it's just a more immersive game experience, and also creates an atmosphere that the students are actually like playing the game, and the game is more close to a real game than instead of just being an educational game, so to say. We now first play the first new developed minigame, Tower Defense, which is basically a tower defense game, which is also out there without educational context. So the goal of this game is to defend the student's castle. Here's the maze, and there are enemies coming along this maze. And students, for example, can place then different towers along the way to defend their castle and to try to destroy the enemies in waves, and therefore protect the castle from getting damage. Here in the left top corner there's the health bar from the castle. So when one enemy is going through all this maze, the castle will receive damage. So we can place different towers. For example, the freeze tower is slowing down the enemies. The basic tower just shoots arrows on them. The defense tower also gives them damage, and a sniper tower just has a longer range of arrows, which can be shot at the enemies. So the interesting part now, or the educational context of this game now, is that when we have gained coins, like here in the left bottom, here is the currency. So when we gain coins, and when we click on the towers, we can upgrade them for money, so for these coins. And when we have, for example, 100 now, I can upgrade the tower, and this will provide me a single choice question. Later on, or in future, it should also be, for example, some small programming tasks, like that the student needs to answer a line of code, for example, to upgrade the tower. For now, this is a single choice question, which data type consists of true and false. This is a boolean, and when we submit it, this answer was correct, and we can directly hear it, that the pace, how fast the tower can shoot arrows, increased, and we can also on the top left corner that it's now on level 2, this tower. So to upgrade it again, it costs more money, so it now costs 174 coins. And let's see, we have 170 now, so 4 coins are missing. We can speed up the game on the right top corner, and when it goes too slow, the game is then won when all questions are answered the right way. But it's also an endless game, so meaning that when all answers are answered the right way and we successfully completed the minigame, then the student can still continue playing as long as his castle is still alive. Just that the students are engaging with the content and can also upgrade towers then, and the questions will repeat, so they can actually repeat the questions. When students click on the left top corner, we can open the leaderboard, which is right now only consisting out of 3 students, because this course is just a demo course. When there would be more students, of course this would be more appropriate, especially to a large CS1 programming course. At least at our university, it's about 500 students every semester. Then it would be more appropriate also to use this league system. The league system works that only leagues are basically created out of 10 or 15 students, and everyone can reach the top, so to say, because only students within a specific skill range or a progress range with coins are displayed to the student, which means you can either have a overall leaderboard where the first place is far in front of you and you will never reach the student, but you will always can reach the first position within your league. So for example, when you are working the next couple days on this game and improve and play mini games and so on, and you gain a lot of coins, you can reach for this week, you can reach a top place and then advancing to the next league and go one league up, so to say. There are some different filter options in a course which is more filled with content, not in this demo course. And the visibility options, like students are always presented with a pseudonym. Here is chameleon, lizard, zebra, but you can also make yourself public, for example, and then my username is displayed. It's test user 1, and also to the others. So it's basically by default it's private. With a pseudonym you can also change the pseudonym, and then basically are displayed to all students. Alright, the next minigame we developed is the memory minigame, which is also similar to the card game, which can be played physically in the real world, and we integrated it in a single player mode. Currently multiplayer is under development, so in the later on it should be also played for that 2 students can play together. So we only can play it single player now, and the concept is simple. These cards can contain text, images, and source code or code snippets as markdown code, and we need to flip the cards and match them together. In this case we have coding errors and need to match them to code snippets. Here for example style error, and we have here then code snippets where we need to match them static semantic error, and need to match them with code snippets. So the game concept is quite easy and everyone probably knows memory. So this is a quite simple game. We also improved the achievement system of the game. So when students click on the menu and press on achievements here, they can actually see what achievements they already achieved and how far they are with other achievements. So for example here, login for 5 days. We have now here 1, or open all teleporters, which we have only 1 because we collected this teleporter here on the right side. But for example, get 50 coins, we already achieved this, or the first place in the leaderboard, we also achieved this too. So basically we can also then filter completed or logged, and apply some specific filters to see the achievements, and also the achievements are basically displayed when you achieve them on the bottom of your screen, indicating that you just reached an achievement, and this should motivate students to continue. For example, here the beginner play for 30 minutes. This should motivate students to get this achievement. And we also added some visuals, so icons, game-related icons, to just improve the user experience, and as the sound and background music, also like that it's more feeling like an actual game. The third minigame what we developed is the Tower Crush minigame, where students can play 1 versus 1 or team versus team against each other. And this game is basically both teams have towers and can attack the opponent's tower by solving questions. And also here it's a single choice for now, but later on, or what is currently under development, is also to write, for example, lines of code to provide coding challenges. I will create a lobby here, a test lobby, and will join Team A and click on ready, and it will be checked. And I also have Gamify-IT with the second account open, and will also play the Tower Crush game to demonstrate you how this game will work. So this has not started, but this is my lobby, the test lobby. You can join the lobby, and since Team A has already one player, I will join Team B and click on ready to be ready, and switch back to my test user 1 account and start the lobby now. So basically we have 30 seconds now, both teams. Here it also started now, and we both have single choice questions now. As I said, it's currently under development that you, for example, also should write a line of code or something, and basically can select then one. When you are multiple team members, you can of course select more, and the one with the most votes will be then selected, and then you can submit your answer. I was too late, but then it basically your tower will get since I chose the right one, the tower from the opponents from Team B would get damaged then, and they would have then only 3 lives. I was too slow now. So this is basically the game. We also implemented a currency and shop system. When students click on the left top and open the shop, we can see that we have 150 coins here. You can see our inventory when we click on inventory, and we can actually buy customizables, so that we can customize our avatar. For example, here with the buy for 40 coins, the flame head or the globe heads, and very much different stuff what we can buy. I will buy the flame head now and apply it to our avatar. So it will ask me if I would like to buy the flame head. I say yes, and I bought it, so it is in my inventory now. And when I then click on my character selection and can, for example, here select my character, I want to be this one without colors, then I can select here also my head or glasses, but I don't have unlocked any glasses yet. We just bought the flame head, so I will switch this now, and we can here directly see also that we got the achievement: select character, change skin of your character, and we have the flame head now. And when we have a look on the achievements, we can also see here that the select character, change skin of your character is now unlocked. So we just got this achievement, which is quite good, I guess. So these are the enhancements, and with that I would like to thank you for watching the video, and for any further details please read the paper. Thanks.